Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm very, very happy to be in front of your screen today. So, I know you guys have missed me. I've missed you guys too. So, I actually stepped away from the market some time. I had to do other things, right? So, I'm doing other things apart from trading, that keeps me away from the market. I'm a swing trader and I know my niche, right? So I'm not always in front of my screen. All right, guys, thank you very much for those that have been asking me. Guess what? I recently passed my Ftmo challenge, the phase one, and I'm currently on the second phase, right? So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be walking you through how I was able to pass it, the trades I took, everything the stop loss and the take profit, everything is on my Telegram channel. So if you're new to this channel, please turn on your notification bell, subscribe, help the channel growth, and also like and share my content because I believe in sharing this content and learning, liking, and commenting on this content on my videos. You're supporting the community, you're creating more awareness for traders outside who are struggling with becoming financially stable. Right. So the goal of this trading channel is to become financially stable, right? You don't necessarily need big funds to become a profitable trader. You don't need big funds. You don't need big funds. It's not by the capital, right? Capital goes a long way, yes, but it is not by capital. Your money doesn't guarantee you a profitable journey, right? So what you need is knowledge. What you need is community where you see or you hear like minds. Right? I'm in the journey. I'm still here. So I'm like the mediator, the big guys you're looking up to. Of course, I'm looking up to them too. I still watch Jeffrey Benson's video because guy, I like what that guy is doing. I also watch Habib. I watch for I watch Taco Willis also, right? Because most of all these big guys in the Forex space, they are the ones that we are actually looking up to in terms of their success, right? In terms of their success, what they've been able to achieve via trading. So that's what we want also. So guys, I'm in the journey. I'm still here, right? So you guys can relate with me and I can relate with you, right? So guys, thank you once again for tuning in. I'll start by sharing my screen. I hope you can see my screen now. So I'm sharing my screen now and I believe that you guys can see the screen. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through my Telegram, how I was able to I believe you guys can see this. So not just passing the FTMO challenge, I was able to do 100% of my small accounts, right? And also I'm in the phase two right now. Um, okay, I posted the withdrawal when I withdrew some, few cash, little cash, right? Where is the certificate? All right, guys. So this is the certificate given presented to me on the 5th of September. That's today is as at the time of shooting this video, we are like 15 days past after this, and I completed a challenge on the 5th of September. How was I able to complete the challenge? I'm going to walk you through the trade I took. I knew that I took some trade that I was in Euro AUD bullish. I was in Euro USD. I was in Euro USD bullish. Yes, Euro USD bullish. And okay, this is what I was making as at that time. So I'm going to walk you through the analysis I did for uh NZD USD. I told them to exit the market because the market it didn't break my trend line. Didn't break my trend line. That was why it wasn't um coming forth. So for this guy is, if you check this guy now, that's the Euro GBP, that's Euro pounds, that's Euro GBP, right? If you check the guy now, I think this guy is traded around this level. I'm going to walk you through the chart. I'm going to walk you through the chart. So this was where I started getting the entries from. All right, so let's go down to trading view. Starting with how I was able, so this video, I'm going to walk you through how I was able to pass my FTMO challenge. Mind you, this is not the first time I'm passing my challenge account. I started with 10 trade. I started with 10 trade. I have payout certificate from 10 trade. Then I moved to funded next. Dr. Willis trading prop firm. I passed stage one, I passed stage two. Yeah, so this is not my first time of passing profit account. Then I move over to FTMO. FTMO, I've passed stage one. Then I'm currently in phase two. I think I'm going to do, a YouTube video on how on the thought pattern, what is happening, how I'm passing, So I'm going to do a series on that. So I think that will be better. I need to walk people through on how they can become profitable like me, all right, and how they can pass and scale their prop firm accounts without stress. Prop firm is the way to go, guys. Excuse me, lightning so much. So prop firm is the way to go. And if you're not able to scale your prop firm account, pass your challenges as a trader in this era, I think you really need to go back to the drawing board, all right? Because um there's some kind of funds you can't get access to. Like you can't easily get access to a $10,000 funds, right? Life account. You can't get access to $100,000 life account. You can't get access to a $25,000 life account, and you can't even imagine getting access to a $200,000 account. But with Profem, you can get access to that kind of account with a fee. So I'm not here to preach profit. I'm just here to tell you that you can actually scale your account using profit. And I did 95% of my account returns right within that period. And I've done it like this is okay, this is the first time that I'm on it at the moment. Let's go back to the Telegram channel. Okay, I think I posted something. All right, so I started this account with this. The account is I'm almost not doing 20. That's I did like 50% of that account, right? I'm trying to. So this was the shikini money I withdrew from trading this week. I trade hit TP on USD CHF, small account growth. I want to look for small account growth. No, this is not small account. This is the big account growth. All right, so this is what I was talking about. I was able to do almost 95% returns on my account, and I withdrew this account. Right. So these are the things. How was I able to achieve this? Very, very easy, very simple and straightforward. So this on my screen, we have Euro, GBP USD. At the moment, GBP USD is bearish. However, I wanted the market to go to the upside. Trust me, I wanted the market to get to, I wanted this market to get to this level. That's 1.4200, right? That was like the highest, the next uh, support level, the next resistance level in the market, but it didn't get to the level. I don't know why, right? But remember, there's always a contingency plan. If you check my analysis, I think I entered somewhere around here. My first entry was somewhere around here. I entered somewhere around here. Let me go back to my Telegram channel. I always have proof. of my entries. Oh, okay. So this is for stage two. Um, Let me go before I pass stage one. Okay. Uh okay. My first positions was at 1.1.33918. 1.33918. So this was my first positions on GU, then second position. So let's go back to here 1.339. So the first positions was around this level here, right? So then this was the other positions I took. I entered the level here. My first take profit level was this level. Yeah, this is the first take profit. Market got to the first take profit. Then this was the second entry. This was like the third entry, first, second entry, third entry around there. Then my take profit was somewhere around here. Bro, this market is so crazy, guy. This market is so crazy. So when I saw the market move in my favor, I easily I broke even in my trades. I allowed the market. I think I broke even from I entered around here, this level. Yeah, also you in Euro USD. If you go to if you go to my Euro USD trade, you see it there. I entered around here, I saw this rejection. Immediately I put all I broke even here. Then market came. This is I think this is I'm trying to remember, is this FOMC? This was on a Wednesday. Yes, this is FOMC. FOMC pushed the market to the upside. I was super excited, but it didn't get to my level. So annoying. So it didn't get to my level. I saw this pattern here. The market is forming. I saw something like a double, this session that market broke. Immediately I knew that there's a problem in the market. So I left the market here. I left the market when upon this candlestick I saw there. If this, had it been this, let's say this, had it been this candlestick, if this candlestick was a bullish engulfing candle pattern, I would have still stayed in the market. So the market, the candle formed. Then I saw this bear. I told myself I knew that this market is going crazy. I just had to leave the market right with my little profit. It's quite annoying, but it's fine. That's how the market works. Right. So this was how I was able to, from here to here, this was how I was able to pass my challenge account. GU, I killed this market, guys. I killed the market. I killed the market, but the market is coming back down to this level, to this same level. Right now, I'm not trading GBP USD. Let's move over to Euro USD. Euro USD, Euro USD at this point. So today the market is closed. The market closed yesterday on Friday night, and I'm shooting the as at the time of shooting this video, the market is still closed, right? So that's why we can't see any candlestick movement. I actually like doing my videos on Saturdays or Sunday, right? So that I will have a clear direction of where the market is supposed to go to. So what I'm looking for, I'm looking for a bounce of this level. If I can get a bounce of this level for GU, I am indecisive for GU because I don't understand what the market is doing. The market is bearish. I don't know why the market is bearish because my analysis is telling me bullish. I do not know why the market is bearish. But if the market is going to be bullish, where I'm going to be interested in um buying the market is, let's say I see the market comes to this level, then do create something like this, or let's say rejection, just do something to push. I need to see, like, not just a bullish engulfing candle is not enough for me to buy this market. I need to see something like a um double bottom. Yeah, I need to see something like a double bottom on the 4 hour time frame, a clear double bottom on the 4 hour time frame, pushing to the upside before I can get into this market bullish. But for Euro USD, what I need the market to do is also the same thing. I need to see double bottom before I can assure you guys that this guy is ready for bullish pressure. But for now, I think we have to just step away. We have to step away from Euro USD and GBP USD. So for now, guys, don't trade them. Now, based on my own perception, do not trade these guys. Then for this guy, for USD CHF, guys, I'm walking you through how I was able to achieve what I'm doing, what I did, right? So when I saw this, rule of there's a rule in the market called break and retest pattern. So I noticed this break and retest. Okay, I say no problem. I think I missed my entry around here, right? I missed it because this was supposed to be my first entry. The market was, coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down. I don't understand what the market was doing. So when the market came to this level, I put my stop loss here, right? So I saw the market was now coming back up. I left the market because I felt like this guy is just crazy. So it went back up. He did this. I said, okay, no, while I came back here, still went up again. I said, okay, I think this is maybe this will be the last lap. So when the market broke down this level, I was, telling myself that too. I told myself that I'm going to watch the market when the market breaks this level. I remember this is a 4 hour time frame, so you have to wait. You have to wait. Sometimes I wait days for me to place my entries. Right. So I just allow the market to misbehave, do what the market needs to do. And when I saw this, I said, "Oh, okay." But by the time I came back to the market has already gone. I said, okay, there's no problem. Since you're going, the overall target of this market is this level. So the market came here, it did this. I entered the market on this bearish engulfing candle. I entered here. I remember vividly. I have the screenshot. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. I entered, this is a 1 hour time frame. So I entered somewhere around here. So I entered this market on my small account. I think it was $166. So I didn't want to risk much. I just entered like plenty. I stacked my zero, that's the lowest loss. I stacked them. All right. Then the market was now going, check. You can see this for yourself. No, oh, sorry. You saw this, right? Market was really trending at that time. I held on my positions, then voila, market hits market hits take profit. My take profit was at this level at 0.7500. Market came back down, bled to the downside. I left the market. I was super happy, So this was how I was able to pass my profit challenge. This was the third pattern. I just allowed the markets to run. As a swing trader, you should allow the markets to run. You should give the market enough room to work for you, right? You want to be financially stable so that you can become better, right? You can become better. So it's a journey, it's a mindset. There are other things that works hand in hand. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Just pay attention, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you want me to do. Tell me the pair you would want me to analyze, and I will do that gladly. I will gladly do that because I believe in empowerment, right? So I have a course I'm working on that is going to be for everyone, right? Is going to be very exclusive. But for my YouTube videos are going nowhere. I'm going to be pushing content. At least I'm going to be doing a like a a beginner session, mostly for people and also for advanced session. So I'm going to be doing all of this, inculcating so many, so many ideas to make us to become better. Right. So everyone, what is my projection for next week or for the coming week? I am not seeing any other thing apart from this. So I'm on Euro GBP, that's £0 or bullish. Very sweet. This guy is a sweet guy, right? Sweet guy, break of market, break of trend line. Saw this pop. I took the shot from here, bro. I took the shot from here. Then Euro AUD. I do not know what this guy is doing. Like, what are you doing, fam? But overall take profit is 1.8440. So this is the overall. What did I see? Very simple, break, retest. I entered the market upon the level, this level here. Then my stop losses are below this level. The market is currently ongoing. So I'm just waiting, watching. I'm hoping that the market would not misbehave. All right. I'm on this trade bullish. Let's check. Let's check. We need facts, right? Let's check. Let's check. Yeah, so this is the trade when I called it. So I called it somewhere around here. I do not know why I think I mistakenly touched the entry. I know I entered somewhere around here. So I don't know why the entry is now wide. So I entered it somewhere around here. So you see very, 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 very good stop loss. I don't think the stop loss is it more than 40 pips? Okay, 58 pips. 58 pips to, I think this is like 200 and something. Boy, oh boy. Three, eight, 385 pips. Bro, that's massive. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be entering more positions to cater for all these positions, right? I'm going to be entering more positions to cater for all these positions. So if I notice retracement, I'll still enter more positions, right? To tell me that, okay, this guy's going to go to the upside. If you check your daily time frame, this is what is happening. Nothing much is happening. So I believe I do not see any reason that will make this market not to go to the upside. I do not see any reason. Trust me. I do not see any reason that will make this market not to go to the upside. But for now, I allow the market to play out. Not too much. I don't have any other thing to do, just to make sure that the market goes and plays out. So my next video, I'm going to be doing a fresh analysis. Right, I'm going to be doing a fresh analysis for my next video. I'm going to walk you through how I'm able to spot all my levels, support, resistance, major levels and minor levels, right? So that we can be in the loop and we can be in the know of how things are being done, my thought pattern, what am I thinking, right? So basically, learning this skill trading is very, very important because with this set of skill, you are able to grow your funds. You're able to grow your funds significantly, like I did 100%, 95% of my account. And this is another account. I'm doing more than 50% of my account, right? These are huge returns, trust me. These are huge returns. So for my big account, I do not do 50%. I've not done 50% in the trade. So my highest take profit is think it's like 10% or let's say 11%. So I always risk 1 to 2% to make 5, 7, 10%, 11%, 12%, depending on how juicy the setup is, right, for my big account. But for the small account, it's a small account, you really need to risk high. Because you can't be risking 1%. 1% of $160 is like $1.6. That's so it is not enough room, right? So you need to risk more. You need to risk more. Like you need to risk like 10% of your account. Small account you risk, the risk is high. Big account, the risk is low. So that's just the psychology of how to trade. Okay. Thank you very much, guys, for listening to me. Thank you so much. I remember my projection for the week. I'm only projecting pounds, that's euro GBP, and Euro AUD. So these are the market I'm projecting for subsequent weeks. So Euro USD, GBP USD, I'm off the market. I'm watching, I'm waiting for the market to do something, right? Thank you everyone for listening to me. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please share the content, subscribe. I love you so, so much, guys. Thank you for my viewers. Thank you for everyone supporting this channel. I do not take this for levity. Thank you so much and catch ya later. Peace.